Christian Luanzon. At yung naglalaro ngayon na meron 21 puntos na si Joe Gomez de Leon.
How often can you say that? The Playing Podcast.
Oo nga.
Di ba?
Now has a total of 19. Second leading scorer for Manila. And more importantly, giving the lead back to their squad. Jobert Medina getting the step. Eusebio, sorry, that was... Is that John Pa? Yeah,
Yes,
umalog
that's
palabas.
John Pa.
Tweety Santos, walang alinlangan, wala ring problema.
There's all arms, but it's always a straight line for Tweety Santos.
Sa piso yung talon, pero napaka-epektibo to si Tweety. Ito pa, nakakuha pa ng block against Alfred Cedillo.
Hindi talaga niya kinayang makapasok ng dulo. That's why, congratulations, Knicks.
Dito sa MPBL, sino yung mga lefty that comes into your mind first?
Parang top of mind. Hirap din, no? Isipin. If I think of one, medyo na-curious ako, ha? Thinking for the team, Batangas.
Wala, no?
Wala masyado.
Very rare, when you think about it, as you see that finish by Red Eusebio. Extreme ang subok at kompletong appliances brand ng Pilipinas. Ito isang kaliwete rin na nagpapakitang gilas ngayon, Mark Matiliano.
The lead guy para dito sa Parañaque.
Post up, Doligon against two white jerseys. Doesn't crawl in, but Red Eusebio there to clean it up.
Isa na namang layup para dito kay Red.
Joe Gomez de Leon off the dribble. Cedillo gliding in, lays it in for two. Bounce pass. Masyadong malakas. Cyrus Tapi. Kaliwete.
Tama.
Wanting to achieve something that they haven't done in quite some time, which is to earn back-to-back wins. Last time they did it was way back in Season 6.
So medyo nahati na yung puso ko noon.
Ang inabot ko na head coach nila, si Coach Eric Altamirano.
Oh, that's right. That was right before Coach Ryan Gregorio.
97 when they won the All-Filipino Cup. Si John Pa, di pa pinapanganak noon. Lays it in with a 2-point lead.
Lang inabot na yan. Baka Mark Marocan na eh.
Oo, tama. Naagaw pa ni Doligon. Joe Gomez de Leon is ahead. Sidestep beauty from Joe.
Nakwento yan sa podcast.
Yeah. But the pandemic happened and that plan fell apart. John Pa wants this matchup against Sam Peralta. The crossover, the pull-up from John Pa is good. Waiting for the whistle. Did not come. Doligon barreling through the lane. The lefty finish from Mark. Two-possession ball game, 104-98. Cedillo will slow things down. Drives right. Gets straight to the cup. Pasa kay Cedillo. Pumukol sa tres. Malakas. Ponte. Got shot off by John Pa. Layup. Offhand. Ginamit ni Jobert Medina. And they will beat Parañaque. Unfortunately, after picking up a win against Imus, they will drop this one. They will fall down to 1-14.